Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoho CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you upload or import your list into your Zoho CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, but be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to import your contacts into your Zoho CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common to switch over to different softwares. You want to be sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoho CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Zoho CRM, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to import your contacts into your Zoho CRM, up here on the top left, you want to be sure to click on contacts. Once you click there, you're going to see all the contacts you have in your Zoho CRM. However, to load another list or more contacts, here on the top right, you're going to click on this blue button. There's a little arrow next to it. Don't click on create contact, click on the arrow next to it. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, import contacts. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get these two options. So if you're working with another CRM, you can go ahead and import directly from that CRM. But if you have a spreadsheet of contacts, you're going to use this side right here. So you can just drop the spreadsheet right over this section, or you can do what I do and click on browse and upload from your desktop. So let me go ahead and grab a file. Okay, I'm uploading my contact file. A quick second later, it says your file has been uploaded successfully. So let me click on next. Okay, now you get to choose, you want to add them as new contacts, or are you simply just updating contacts, or both? For me, these are new contacts. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, so here you can go ahead and map out the different columns that are coming from your spreadsheet into the Zoho CRM. So let's see here. It already mapped out first name, last name, salutation. So let's see if we have a role here. Here's a title. And let's go ahead and add this as an address, mailing city, mailing state, mailing country, zip code. Okay, so once you've mapped out all the fields between your spreadsheet and Zoho CRM, go ahead and click on this blue next button here at the bottom right. Okay, next you can go ahead and edit these options right here before we import our contacts into Zoho CRM. But on this page, what's important is you have to confirm that you have these email addresses and they have consented to receive emails from you. Basically saying that you didn't just buy this list and you're going to be emailing through Zoho CRM. They do take that really important, and that is a good way to get kicked off of Zoho CRM. So once you're finished, go ahead and click on the blue finish button. Okay, now it says my contact import has been scheduled. So it's going to go ahead and start processing. All right, a quick second later, you'll see this pop up here at the bottom, contacts imported successfully. So if we refresh our screen, okay, so our screen refreshed, and as you can see, we've added in our new contacts here. So these are all fake contacts. I think I added maybe 20. So it didn't take that long. It actually took maybe 15 seconds. However, if you have a huge list that you're importing into Zoho CRM, it's definitely going to take longer. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to import or upload your contact list into your Zoho CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.